Is going to be your living area space. If you look at the house, it's space which is very unique for a kitchen. Master bedroom, if you notice, this is quite much more spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Ivana by Anvita Projects, which is located on the outer ring road, Kollur, Hyderabad road. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is just few minutes from here. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. So the first one is the project overview. This project will be constructed on 12.9 acres of land parcel featuring 6 towers with 3 basement ground and 36 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now, let's have a look at the amenities part. So the project comes with modern amenities including a grand clubhouse, there's going to be pool, kids play area, gymnasium and a lot more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located near Nehru Outer Ring Road, Kollur, Hyderabad. So this is going to be your entire connectivity. From over here, you easily get connected to your financial district and other areas. So your Neopolis Circle is just 9.4 kilometers away and Ocean Park, that is just 15 kilometers from here. Hello everyone, now we will be doing the sample flat tour for Ivana by Anvita Projects for 3 BHK and the configuration is 2000 square feet. Let's get the video started. Now, as we enter, we of course first have our door, and as you can see, it will have wooden touching and you have your normal key lock system given over here. So this is going to be your living area space. If you look at the house, it has this very nature-like modern feeling. So you already have your inbuilt lighting systems given, you have your AC and your fan switch as well. Now when we come to this corner of living area, you also have a small window system over here and you have a lot of space on this corner. So if you want, you can add your shoe rack on this side and then your couch can come this side. Again, on that side, you would still have space left to add your couch. So your TV can come on this side, you have your switches given and you also have another small window on the corner of your living space. Now, when we come across the house, you have another living area space which is extremely spacious. So if you want, you can turn that into your dining area and it starts all the way from this corner. So if you look over here, you can design your house however you like. And then over here, you can add your dining table area. You can also have an extra wash basin space that can be commonly used by your guests or however you choose to design this space. Now, right in front of that, you will notice you have another space corner given which is designed in a cube-like shape. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or if you want, you can add a bookshelf and design it however you like. Now, coming to your other space of your living cum dining area, on this side as well, you still have a lot of space, so which comes directly close to your kitchen area space. So if you want, over here also you can either add your dining area space this side to give it a modern European touch for your living open kitchen space. Now, right in front of your living cum dining area, of course, you have your balcony system. So this is going to be your balcony that's attached. If you notice, this is like really spacious. So if you want, you can add a lot of pots here and huge tables and chairs. You also have your railings given over here for your safety system. The walling is done perfectly to divide the area nicely, and your tiles also are done perfectly in your balcony. And then you also have a drainage system given over here. So if you water your plants or anything, it's completely fine. Also, the entire flooring that has been done inside the house also is just perfect. Now, like I was talking about the kitchen, so it's right very close to your balcony and your living area space, which is very unique for a kitchen. So if you notice, it's designed in a very cozy manner. On that side, you can add your fridge or your other kitchen appliances. You have your switch, and then you again have a small window system given on this corner, and you also have another window system on this corner. So if you want, you can add your chimney. This comes on that side, and you have proper storage unit spaces also given. Now in your kitchen also, you have your switch given for your fan, so you can inbuilt that as well. Now, of course, your kitchen also comes with a dry balcony, which is again really spacious. So here you can add your washing machine, you have your tap. There also you have your drainage system and your water pipeline and your switch given. The tiling over here also is just perfect. Now, entering into our first bedroom, this is really close to your living cum dining area. So this is going to be your first bedroom. So you can turn this into your kids room if you like it. It is also designed in a different shape. If you see, the tabling system can be added on this side, then your bedding can come on the other corner. You have a lot of storage space given for your wardrobe. So if you see already as how long this wardrobe is, even after that you have a lot of space still inside the room. So you can add a lot of tables, drawers. And then on this corner, of course, you have your window system given over here. So if you want, you can shift your study table on this side. You have enough sunlight and ventilation. Now, coming inside of washroom, so you already have automated system over here for light switch that senses your touch. So you do not have to turn on the light, and this saves you electricity as well. You also have your exhaust fan on that side. Here also the tiling and flooring is done perfectly. The washroom is spacious enough for you to do partition near your shower system. Now, this is going to be your second bedroom. Again, it is very close to your living dining area. So this is again designed in a very unique manner. If you notice, your wardrobe can come this side. Again, you can have a lot of space for your study table, and then your bed system also can be on this corner. Here also you have your fan, AC switch, and your lighting systems done perfectly. Now the best part about this room is you have an attached balcony over here in this room. So this is going to be your balcony, and you can notice for a room this is a huge balcony, which is a really advantage for you. So you can also add your study area here because there's a lot of ventilation and sunlight directly coming in. You have your railing and your inbuilt wall system here as well, and there also on the corner, if you notice, you have drainage system. So if here also, if you want, you can add your plants. Now again, coming to your washroom, here also you have automated light system, which means you don't need to switch on the lights yourself. And then you have your tiling, flooring done again unique in this washroom. You have your inbuilt lighting systems, you have your exhaust fan given on the corner, your drainage and your shower system done perfectly. Now, before we enter into our master or third bedroom, let me quickly tell you about Housey. So what Housey exactly does for you. As soon as you go to our website, you will get all the information about the project, like the location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. You get their exclusive pricing details, EMI, down payment options, and you also get a 360 virtual tour on the website of the project. Now, if you wish to come and book site visit, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Now, this is going to be your master bedroom. If you notice, this is quite much more spacious than compared to your other rooms. So this has two different spaces given. This is your first space of the room. On that side, if you notice, you have your first window. So there again, you have a lot of space. So if you want, you can add a bookshelf there, or you can design it however you like. And then your bed comes in between. You again can add a huge wardrobe system on this corner. Now on this side of the room, again you have a small window system given. So because your dressing table or your study table can come here, you can have enough amount of sunlight and ventilation. In this room again, you have your fan and AC switches given. Now your other corner of the room, if you notice, there's a small space still designed for you. You can turn that into your walk-in closet, add a mirror on this corner, and right in front of it you will have your washroom. This also comes with automated light system, and you have your tiling and flooring again done differently in this washroom, and this is a little more spacious. So you have your shower system, you have your exhaust fan, and your lighting done perfectly. So everyone, that was all about Ivana. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, Subscribe to our channel Housey.